hold on.
I'm videoing. You have to start.
Oh, yeah.
Ready, set, go. This is Adam, eating 6 saltine crackers in 60 seconds without anything to drink. It's not humanly possible, but he feels like he can do it, and he can make it all the way. 6 crackers in 60 seconds. Well, there goes 3 of them. Let's see how the other 3 go in, or down, or not at all. Okay, don't laugh. We don't want cracker crumbs everywhere. Keep them all in. This was inspired by watching the hot dog eating contest on TV. Okay, eat the last 3 crackers. Keep going. You have like 15 seconds. Doesn't matter if you're laughing. See? You can't do it. Time's up.